How to make name keychains with leather on Cricut. Step 1. First you need to create a band. To do this, go to the Shapes tool in Cricut Design Space and select a square. Step 2. Resize the square. Step 3. Click on the Text tool and type out a name. Step 4. Click on the Font drop-down menu, then search and select the font you want to use. Step 5. With the text selected, click on Offset, set the distance and click Apply. Step 6. Drag the name away from the offset, right-click on the offset and select Duplicate. Step 7. Move the duplicated offset away from the original offset while making sure that the original offset is set next to the square. Step 8. Select the duplicated offset and click on Flip. Select Flip Horizontal and place it on the other end of the square. Step 9. Go ahead and select all the layers you just created and click Align, then select Distribute vertically. Step 10. Click on Align again and select Distribute horizontally. Step 11. Right-click the first offset layer, select Duplicate, then set it aside. Step 12. Next, select all 3 layers again and click on Weld on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 13. Select the name, click on the Color Swatch button in the Operation section and change the color. Step 14. Once you're happy with the design, click on Make It. Step 15. Select the first mat with the name and turn on Mirror. Step 16. With the first mat selected, select the material in the Make screen. Step 17. Place the HTV face down onto the cutting mat, then go ahead and feed it by pressing the up-down arrow button. Step 18. Click the flashing button to start cutting. Step 19. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, flip it over and peel off the mat from the vinyl. Step 20. Go back to Cricut Design Space and select the second mat, then take a 3M adhesive and place it down on the mat. Step 21. Click on Browse All Materials, then search and select Adhesive and click Done. Step 22. Load the mat on the machine and start cutting. Step 23. While it's cutting, trim off excess material from the first cut, then weed out the design. Step 24. Once the second mat is done cutting, unload it, flip it over, peel the mat away and remove the design. Step 25. Next, grab the faux leather, then place on the mat and smooth it out. Step 26. Click Browse All Materials, search and select faux leather and click Done. Step 27. Load the cutting mat on the machine by pressing the up-down arrow button, then start cutting. Step 28. While it's cutting, preheat the heat press. Step 29. Once it's done cutting, get a weeding tool and make sure that everything is cut before unloading the mat. Step 30. If you're happy with the cut, unload the mat by pressing the up-down arrow button. Step 31. Flip the mat over and peel it away from the material and the design will pop out. Step 32. Grab the faux leather, set it down on the easy press mat and line up the HTV on top of it. Step 33. Next, grab a parchment sheet and place it on top, then press it with the heat press. Step 34. Remove the parchment paper, then go ahead and feed the design through the clasp and fold it in the middle. Step 35. Next, grab the adhesive, peel off the backing sheet, then apply it on top of the leather. Step 36. Peel away the other side of the backing sheet, then fold over the leather and press it down. Step 37. Your name keychain is ready to use. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.